Hi there, pet lovers. Today I want to talk to you about something deeply simple, yet incredibly powerful: how to make your pet's life easier, happier, and full of love. You see, our pets don't speak our language, but they communicate in ways that go beyond words through wagging their tails, gentle purrs, and trusting eyes. They depend on us not for just food and shelter, but for comfort, safety, and joy. So, making your pet's life easier is about understanding their world. It means creating a space where they feel secure, a cozy corner with a favorite blanket, a calm spot where they can rest without stress. It means listening closely to their needs, their moods, and their unique personalities. Small changes can make a huge difference. They really can. Feeding them nutritious meals that fuel their bodies and minds, ensuring they get regular exercise and playtime, because movement is medicine for their souls just like it is for ours. Providing regular vet visits, grooming, and plenty of fresh water, these aren't just chores, they're acts of love. But here's the real secret: it's about being present. Yes. How often do we rush past our pets, distracted by our busy lives? What if we slowed down? What if we sat beside them, stroked their fur, looked into their eyes, and just were with them? Because pets don't need perfection, but what they do need is connection, real connection. They need you. And that's when you make their life easier. And guess what happens when you do? You create a ripple of happiness that flows right back to you. Their calmness becomes your peace. Their joy becomes your joy. Making your pet's life easier is really about making life better for the both of you. So I'd like to say this in closing. Today, let's commit to seeing the world through their eyes, to honoring their quiet needs and joyful spirits, to giving them the gift of our time, patience, and love. Because when you make their life easier, you're not just changing their world, but you're transforming your own. Listen, if you feel inspired, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite way to spoil your pets in the comments below. Let's build a community that uplifts our furry friends, one loving action at a time.